Yo, what's the deal? What's the deal? It's your boy who was Indo, and we back talking sports. We got Larry Joe Bird. Let's get it.
3.6 seconds left. Larry Bird gives the Boston Celtics a 2-point lead. The Celtics came down and executed beautifully. They ran off 13 seconds, and Bird nails the turnaround. Everybody in this building had to know what was going on. Michael came over to help out.
All those people can shoot the ball.
Larry Joe Bird.
It comes out to Drexler at half court. Clyde looking to just work himself. Takes the follow away. Nailed it with 3 seconds left. Wow, Drexler.
Wow.
And he was wearing Dennis Johnson the entire time. But you know what?
What a player he's turning into.
3 seconds is a lot of time. Drexler gets the ball.
I want to say this. I never was Larry Joe Bird wasn't my favorite player, but over the last year or so, I've gained a lot of respect for Larry Joe Bird. Like, I even got him above LeBron. So that show you how much respect I got for Larry Joe Bird.
He's got that isolation. They're in that four-corner type of offense. Works DJ, top of the key, spins back on him, and takes a foul line jump shot that just rattles in.
All right, here we go.
There's
Comes
Bird.
in the Bird, knocked out of bounds. A second goes off the clock as Kersey got a hand on it. Chris Ford and Jimmy Rogers up off
Clutch
the Boston
time,
bench,
bro.
directing traffic. They're trying to get a photographer away. He doesn't want to move.
I'll put it to you like this. Besides Michael, Kobe, Larry Bird probably the most clutch player I ever seen. Yeah. Besides MJ and Kobe.
DJ again to make the inbound pass. They double teaming Bird.
Watch this. Double team and still get the shot up. And it didn't hit net, bro. I mean, it didn't hit rim.
Larry, fake, fall away. Hits it! All right!
Good things come to those who work. So let's get to work. Get going. Get hustling.
Let's go get this money, man.
Let's get paid. Not later. Now. Because there are things we want. Now. Goals to reach. Now. Ideas to create.
Right. They love watching Larry Bird.
Unbelievable.
Larry
Unbelievable.
Bird remains the greatest small forward
Magic
ever,
Bird.
period, end of story.
Here's Bird manning up tight on him. Bird leans to the three. Yes!
Man.
In your face, he gives Bannister
In your
five.
face.
Misses two. Makes a big one here with 2:45 to go.
Here's Bird's backbreaker. Fakes using the Parrish pick, and as the defense collapses, he steps back. Watch him now. Well, we didn't see it. Watch him give Bannister the sign for the high five.
Larry Bird
and
was
Bannister
a
gives it back to him.
ridiculous individual, bro.
Celtics want someone else to start it. Now they get it.
Now Hornacek has it. To Eddie Johnson, baseline, whoa, fall away. Suns lead by 2. 104 to 102. 25 seconds to play in the game. There's a 3-second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Bird, baseline, lays it up. Yes!
What I didn't know is that I didn't know how much of a trash talker that Larry Bird was until a couple of years ago. And I was like, wow, like Not only would he tell you where he gonna hit the shot from, he would talk to you afterwards. Like it was like crazy.
Basket for Larry Bird, and he was fouled. With 17 seconds to go, he ties it at 104. Bird with 48 points in the game. Look at this.
Another incredible performance again when he makes up his mind he needs the two. Strong enough to absorb a considerable contact from the weak side, and yet still, watch, Nance
Look at that.
just knocks him out.
And one.
The ball gets knocked out of bounds by eight. Although they call it the other way.
The Detroit ball with 5 seconds to go. Thomas wants to get it in quick.
Yo, this is probably my favorite Larry Bird play of all time. Like the attention, like the mindset to not only steal the ball, but to pass it for the game winner was ridiculous, bro.
Now that's a steal by Bird.
Bird stole the ball. Bird stole the ball.
Bird stole the imposing pass. Laid it up to DJ. DJ laid it up to him.
I ain't gonna lie, I would have been mad as hell at Isaiah Thomas. Bro, you didn't see him coming behind me? You didn't see the 6'9", 6'10" dude coming behind me? And you still pay? Oh my God!
Seconds to play. Celtics basketball.
During the timeout, I'm going through a play, and about that time, Larry steps in and says, Coach, why don't you just give me the ball and tell everybody to get out of the way? That's Larry. If he wants the ball, he wants the ball. After the timeout, we walked back on the court, and then Xavier was guarding him. So he tells Xavier, and says, I'm getting the ball.
I said, I know I'm going to be waiting. And he said, I'm going to get it right here. I'm going to shoot it right in your face.
What I just say? He said, I'm going to get it right here, and I'm going to shoot it right in your face, bro. That's cold, bro. That's cold. That's a cold-blooded killer right there. That's something some other fake goats can't do, bro. They can't call their own shot, bro. They too busy worried about dunking and trying to get 2/3 of their points in the motherfucking paint. Cause they shooting 30% from the three. Larry Bird would never, bro.
10 seconds. 5, and Bird has the basketball. Look out. Larry Bird just phenomenal the way that
he came out about that exact spot and shot a shot right in my face. And, you know, he was like, I didn't mean to leave 2 seconds on the clock. He wanted to shoot it with 0 seconds on the clock. I walked back to the sideline like, damn.
They clear it out a bit for John. Larry tries to fight his way through with Barkley all over him.
Hey,
not going to call a foul. Goes to Bird. He's open.
Smash.
Got it at the buzzer.
Well, we wondered if he had the magic again. There it was.
He had unshakable confidence. If he could
There
get
you
his shot
go.
off, he felt like we was going to win the
Parrish.
ball.
2-point Maverick lead.
Bird's the man they want to have it. Yes, indeed.
Bird for 3.
Splash.
Yes, Larry Bird for 3.
I mean,
Celtics lead it by
damn,
1.
bro.
What can you say about
What a killer,
Larry Bird?
bro.
Imagine the arrogance, the wonderful arrogance of a man.
The wonderful arrogance,
Two to
bro.
tie,
That's what it
or
is.
3 to
Arrogance,
win,
bro.
and says, let's
Like-
roll the dice.
I remember we were playing Washington in Washington.
Chris Ford. Good known fact. Chris Ford was the first player to actually shoot a 3-pointer and make a 3-pointer. I want to say this though. The only person I think is more arrogant than Larry Joe, probably Steph. If you look at it, bro, Steph don't even look at the shot, bro. He just throw the ball up, bro. He just be on the court playing with niggas, bro. That's the only player I could think that's probably more arrogant than Larry Joe. You feel me? Probably more arrogant. Because what you gonna do with a dude that, you know what I'm saying, shooting the ball from 40 feet and then just turning around? Like, he ain't even looking at you, bro. You just turn it around. You feel me? Larry telling you where he going to hit the shot at. But Steph is like before you even, you know what I'm saying? Before you even get a chance to like block it or before you get a chance to defend it or anything.
In one night, and Larry just hit what would have been the game-winning shot. KC called timeout.
It won't count. It does not count. Boston had called a timeout.
Larry came back to the bench, and he was a little upset.
He looks at the bench and says, hey guys, when I come back after timeout, I'm going to go right to the same spot and I'm going to kick it in.
He told Washington, I'm going to get the ball.
Yeah. 2 seconds left. The Bullets by a 1. Ainge to Bird. He gets a good shot. Boy, this is something else. Incredible. Bird wins it at the buzzer.
How many people you know would talk to the other team like this and say, I'm going to stick it in your face?
Every 4 years, 4 fallen champions reborn in legendary form. But there's the...
3-point Portland lead. 7 and 2/10 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. All right, here's Bird. He fires. It's a three-pointer, and he's tied the game.
Oh man,
I only seen Luka do something like that.
So extremely confident.
All right, here we go. 15 seconds left in regulation. Bird's three-pointer, no. Rebound tipped out deep. Ray Williams has it. Williams to Bird again. Up fakes. Fires another three-pointer.
Oh! Ties it up!
Yes, sir.
13.
Larry's one of the most clutchest players I ever seen, bro.
You guys want to win the game? I said, sure. Yeah, absolutely. He goes, give me the ball and get out of the way.
Give me the ball and get the fuck out the way. Gets it on the sideline. Goes baseline. Kobe, MJ. You know what I'm saying?
There's nobody better with a game on the line.
Nobody.
Maybe nobody better ever.
I remember in particular one where I had to make a pass.
MJ and Kobe to me.
And the Suns crowd was going wild.
Max looking. Loops it to Bird, a runner. It's good! It's good! Bird hits in the Celtics win!
Since Larry let it go, he virtually turns to the bench and he's looking over like, you should have had more than one guy on me.
That's a trash.
You could have heard that mouse pee on cotton in that building. It got that quiet.
Larry Bird, and look at the concentration. Looks like he's found the mark, Bill.
I also want to say one of the greatest 3-point shooters I ever seen in my life. Besides Steph. I'm saying besides Steph.
He is smoking.
Smoking. He on fire, boy.
He made 9 straight before he missed.
Larry Bird on his way to victory here in the long-distance shootout.
Splash. 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 Yeah. Larry Bird was a killer.
Off the glass. Give me a break, Larry.
That's right. And if anybody needs $10,000, I'm sure it's Larry Bird.
Larry Bird.
No, I don't think Larry Bird need that 10 grand.
Winner here in the 3-point long-distance shootout. Congratulations, Larry.
Yeah. That was Larry Joe Bird clutch shot moments. This was a request from my boy Aaron. I want to give a shout out to him for the donations that he's been giving. I want to shout out my boy DBZ. If you want another video, let me know, bro. I enjoyed that Vince Carter video you requested. A lot more be going on the next couple of days. New job. I will be setting up set dates and times to be recording because of my job. So I want to appreciate you guys for 769 subscribers. I appreciate you. This been Who Is Hendo with another video. I'm out. Peace.